Hey, what's going on, my friend? Are you trying to figure out what is Supreme Profit Systems? Welcome to this video. You're going to learn what Supreme Profit Systems is, and my name is Justin Temple. Please like, subscribe, comment, and hit the bell notifications for future videos. And you're going to learn the truth about this program. And I've been doing network marketing, internet marketing, and home-based business for over a decade, 12 years now. I started when I was 15, dropped out of high school when I was 16 to do this internet thing, and I actually became a top 200 earner, made $1,500 in a single day, and I became a top 200 earner out of over 100,000 affiliates. And then the company went out of business. I didn't know what to do because I was new in the industry, and I actually left the industry. I started helping local businesses with their marketing, branding, and advertising. I also had an online store making $300 per day with one product. And then the shipping crisis of 2020 happened and all that nonsense. And so what happened was I decided to stop selling physical products because of the shipping crisis. My supplier prices went up, my supplier shipping times went up, and I didn't want to do that anymore. So I came back to affiliate marketing to sell digital products, digital education and marketing education. And so when I came back to affiliate marketing, I started this YouTube channel and worked my ass off, and 8 months later, I'd never had to work a job again. Okay? So I was able to fire my boss, escape the rat race, escape the matrix, and be able to go full-time in the internet marketing laptop lifestyle. So I really, really enjoy my career and what I do. And now, because I've figured out how to do internet marketing and home-based business, now I actually spend time coaching every single one of my team members and building every single one of my team members' funnels, websites, autoresponders, capture pages, and coaching them on how to build their entire business. So not only have I figured it out, but now I actually spend time coaching people every single day and making sure that my team is set up and running within a week. So really, really powerful. But thank you so much for being on this Supreme Profit Systems video. And the reason that I like this program is because of how simple it really is, okay? It has a done for you marketing system that you can use. I use my own. I also set up my team's funnel and marketing system so it's branded to you. You can use the one that they make for you. It's whichever one you want. But then it's a really simple program with the sales video, the sales page, and they call the 1-800 number. So with this program, what is Supreme Profit Systems? Well, it's a high-ticket affiliate marketing direct sales business opportunity where you earn 100% of the commissions up front, and people will pay you however you want to get paid. Okay, so you can choose how you want to get paid. You can get paid via Venmo, Cash App, Zelle, PayPal, Bitcoin, Wise, whatever you want, okay? So you can even set up Stripe and set up credit card processing. So you can do that as well. So what is Supreme Profit Systems? It is in a high-ticket affiliate marketing business where you accept 100% of the money up front. That's what it is, okay? And then when people get started, they're going to register and they're going to pay an admin fee of the level that they want to get started at. So you're going to earn all the money up front, and then how does the company make money? Well, the customer pays an admin fee to the company, okay? So you earn all your money, the company earns a little bit, and that's what Supreme Profit Systems is. Now, on my team, I coach people exactly how to succeed step by step with Supreme Profit Systems, and I build everything for you, and I give you my proven traffic sources for high-ticket opportunities. Not all traffic sources work with high-ticket opportunities, and so you really need to make sure that you know how to make this work. And so if you join anyone else in Supreme Profit Systems, you're just throwing your money to a sponsor who's not going to do a fucking thing for you and who does not care for you. Okay? I'm the only one that's actually going to spend time and effort building everything for you. Okay? I'm the only one that's going to give you my proven traffic sources, and I even buy you traffic when you get started on my Supreme Profit Systems team. Okay? So like I build everything for you, set it up for you, customize it for you, get your conversions way higher than they would normally be, and then I buy you my proven traffic right to your funnel. So I do way more for you on my team. You can check out my team bonuses in the description. There's a link for my team bonuses. But thank you so much for being here. And that's what Supreme Profit Systems is. It's also not, okay, it's also not for lazy people, tire kickers, or people that want to get rich quick scheme. This is a real business. I'm going to coach you how to really do it, and results are not guaranteed, okay? You have to work this business. It's not something where money falls out of the sky. You're going to have to get people to the video, and you're going to have to get X amount of people to the video before someone wants to go ahead and get started. So it is a real business. But thank you so much. Go ahead and check out the link down below. The first link is to get started in Supreme Profit Systems and check out my website. The third link, I believe, is my team bonuses, okay? So go ahead and check out my team bonuses down below and get started in Supreme Profit Systems. Thank you so much. See you on the inside, my friend. Bye-bye.